Convertible time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one, 1995 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible. Arctic white in color, graphite leather interior. This particular car, just a touch over 94,000 miles on it. Nicely equipped, and you'll be able to see a copy of the window sticker with the still pictures, and I'll tell you where to check those out here in just a bit. As far as equipment, 5.7 liter underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. I'll get into some more of the options here just shortly. Let's take a look at this front fascia. White paint in this car shows well, considering age and miles on it. Now, as far as those still pictures, so you'll be able to see the underside of the car, the interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on the chrome wheels, newer BF Goodrich radial tires. You can take a look up and down the side of the car. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, and scratches. Again, paint shows well, yes. It's got 94,000 miles on it. It is a 95. You are going to see imperfections or find some here and there, but overall, again, does show nice. Graphite leather interior. Center console with that shifter on the floor. Take a look at the dash. Everything looking stock on the inside. Does have the AM FM CD player in it, which would have been an option, as well as performance axle, power seat, engine oil cooler, and you'll be able to see those items on the copy of the window sticker that is with those still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust back here. It does have MagnaFlow exhaust on it. Nothing over the top. We'll start it up, let you hear it run here in a little bit. Check out that engine bay. As you can see, it does have the convertible top, 3-piece hardcover to it, and it also has the carrying case that is in the trunk with the Velcro, so it'll sit in there upright. That is all included. As far as the convertible top, we'll run that up here in just a second so you can see it. And we'll make a little note, and I'll try to mention it later too before we end this video. It does take just a little help getting it going when it goes up. Going down seems to go down fine. It needs just a little assistance getting it started going up, but it will finish and complete its cycle and go all the way up. Let's take a look down the driver's side. And you see the car is straight. Paint does show well. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. And we'll fire it up. Did have the, like I said, AC blowing cold, AM FM CD player. Had that working. Wipers worked, windows, mirrors, locks, all of that was in working order. Should get a good look at the seats. Show a little bit of wear up here, and it's more color or appearance than anything. It's not really a rip or a tear through the leather itself. Lower portions are fine. The power seat, had that working back and forth, up and down on that also. Check out the rear seat. That is in nice shape. Like I said, before we end this video, I'll run that convertible top up here too, and we'll check that out. But first off, let's start this thing up. So there's your exact miles. We can see that 94,018, so just a tad over 94,000. Starts easily, and there were no check engine lights, warning lights, anything like that on. All you do is have the seat belt, since I don't have my seat belt latched. And again, radio works. Check out the dash, steering wheel, all in nice shape. Take a look at the passenger seat. Not showing much for signs of wear. Slip around to the back of this, you can hear that MagnaFlow exhaust. Like I said, nothing over the top, just a nice little deep rumble. Alright, let's slip up to the front of this, and I'm going to pause the video a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay. Hood liner intact. Again, 5.7 liter, 350. Paired up with that automatic with overdrive transmission, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Once again, AC does blow cold, and nice and tidy underneath there. Again, nothing over the top. Looks like we may have had a cold air intake, little Cannon filter set up here. Other than that, looking pretty stock underneath there. There's your engine bay. Here it runs. Again, good sounding engine. Like I say lots of times in the videos, it's what you don't hear compared to what you hear. Nice smooth running. And let's pause this one more time. Get that top up. Let's check that out, and we'll wind up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Top up to check out. Again, black vinyl top, glass rear window. Now when it goes up, it does take just a tad bit of help to get it rolling, and finishes itself on top. No rips, tears, holes. Again, rear glass window, rear defogger. Really doesn't show much of any wear at all. And you can check it out with still pictures too. Get still pictures of it. Of course, you can see it with the top down in the still pictures in the boot and everything back there, just like the video. So check out all the still pictures underneath the car, interior, and give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trade-ins. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You call it or email